Hello everyone, welcome to the quarterly product release for Q1 2026. And this time we are coming out with several new additions, starting with front pipes. We have one for Mercedes. We also have another addition for water pipes. This one here is for MAN. And then we have a few DPF rebuild kits. One is for Ford, the other one is for MAN. And we have a brand new product category coming out this quarter, the EGR cooler repair kits. And these are available, at least in the beginning, for MAN trucks. And to add icing on the cake, we are coming out with the fully tested, fully certified, latest Euro 6 silencer for the latest MAN TGS and TGX trucks. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us on social media and see you next time.